Hi, I'm Meredith.
And I'm Bridget.
And we are so happy you are joining us for a Tabata workout today.
A Tabata workout is a type of interval workout, which means we alternate between short periods of exercise and rest. The traditional Tabata is 20 seconds of exercise and 10 seconds of rest.
Tabata, or interval workouts, are helpful in improving cardiorespiratory endurance, increasing metabolism, and increasing muscular strength by incorporating strength exercises.
So let's get started. Our first exercise is jumping jacks. Begin with your legs together and your arms down at your side. Then begin jumping by bringing your legs apart and arms overhead simultaneously. Then quickly jumping back to the position of feet together and arms down at your side. Repeat this movement for the entire 20-second duration, trying to complete as many jumping jacks as possible.
If you are unable to jump, you can complete a jumping jack by stepping out with one leg to the side while simultaneously bringing both of your arms overhead. Then step back in place while bringing your arms back down to your side. Repeat to the opposite side and continue this movement for the entire 20-second duration, trying to complete as many reps as possible.
Next, we are going to do squats. Spread your feet to be shoulder width apart and make sure your toes are pointed forwards. Hold your arms out in front of you. Complete the squat by pushing your hips back and bending your knees as if you are about to sit down in a chair and then stand back up. Repeat this movement for 20 seconds.
You can also challenge yourself by holding a dumbbell or a weighted ball at your chest while you complete a squat. Another option would be to complete a jump at the top of your squat without a weight.
Next, we will do side-to-side jumping over a line. Find a line on the ground to jump over. If you cannot find a line, then you can use painter's tape to tape a line on your floor. Stand with both feet next to the line. With both feet together, jump back and forth, left and right, over the line. Complete this movement for 20 seconds. Complete as many repetitions as possible.
If you are unable to jump, a good alternate option would be to step over the line with one leg, and then tap the toe of the opposite foot over that line as well. Repeat to the opposite side, and continue this movement back and forth for 20 seconds. Complete as many repetitions as possible.
To begin a plank, lay on the ground or a mat on your stomach. Flex your feet so that your toes are in contact with the mat and make sure that your hips are shoulder width apart. Prop up on your forearms, making sure that your elbows are directly below your shoulders. Then lift your body off of the mat. Make sure that your body forms a straight line. Do not let your low back curve or your bottom stick up in the air. You can do this by activating your abdominal muscles and trying to draw your belly button in. Pay attention to your breathing and avoid holding your breath. Hold for 20 seconds.
Another way to complete a forearm plank is on your knees. Lie on your stomach on the ground or on a mat. Point your toes down so that they're in contact with the mat. With your knees in contact with the ground, prop up on your forearms. Then lift your hips and your trunk off the ground while continuing to maintain your back straight. Do not let your low back curve or your bottom stick up in the air. Be sure to focus on your breathing and avoid holding your breath. Hold for 20 seconds.